guys, so actually forgot to film everything, but what we had to do is we just took the beams off and now we're just marking our brackets. This one side is done. Yeah, so that's how it's looking. And yeah guys, so you'll see me use this clamp with the spanners, and this was just an idea that I thought to hold it secure, while I tighten the other side, and it actually was a good idea. It helped a lot. So yeah, I think there's another angle shot here that shows you how, but yeah, it was really effective. Yeah, and here's just another look at this angle, just aligning that one spanner with a nut and just tightening up on the opposite side. Yeah, I've also been using these Inco clamps. Recently got them, and they've actually been holding up really well and secure. Yeah, they're quite a useful tool. So yeah, we're just making our way down through this beam, tightening all the nuts and bolts, and just making everything secure, And the whole idea for this is, once all of these brackets are in, then placing the other cross bracings. We don't have enough brackets, but what we will be doing is we're going to be marking this side, and yeah, basically just lining up everything so that by the time the brackets come, then we can just add the brackets in. Yes guys, so the additional brackets came, and my father was also helping out with setting it up, and putting the brackets on the glass beam. It's quite funny, you'll see later on in the video, but we had so much problems with this one and we had to take it back down and realign it and shift the brackets because one side was a bit off by like 35 millimeters, so it just made all of the other cross bracings skew. So yeah, right now we're just fitting these brackets in, and yeah, I think I came in here with the tea and coffee. You know how it is here. Yeah guys, so this project has definitely been a big learning curve in a sense of being able to build and put up these roofs and rafters and beams, and setting in the poles as well. Yeah, and right now you'll actually see we are putting in our first one. Yeah, this was the side that was a bit off. Yeah, so here you can see I'm loosening all the cold screws and just taking those brackets off. The one side that is facing closest towards us actually came out very perfect, but the other side was off, so we had to take the cold screws off. As you can see, the main inspector just showed up now, and she will be doing the quality control and the final checks. And there we have it guys, we've got one side of the roof set up. As mentioned before, it is a big learning curve, and yeah, but it's a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see how it ends up looking. As you can see, it's starting to come together very nicely, and yeah, it's really starting to take form. The next step is going to be putting the opposite side of the roof in, followed by, you know, in between the poles, setting up the wooden frames. There's also a section at the bottom where we need to throw in additional concrete to kind of just have like a trench around, yeah, so that it can be really secure. Yeah, but as I said, this has been a real fun experience, big learning curve as well. Yeah, we also started with the roofs as well. We screwed in a couple of screws just to hold it tight, and yeah, thank you guys for staying for part 4 until the end. Stick around for more of this workshop build, and like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.